What's up, American Dream? Today we're gonna do something a little different. Now, you know I like to show you amazing properties and amazing food. Today we're gonna show you one of the most amazing properties. As a matter of fact, this is actually one of the biggest properties in central Massachusetts. That's right, we're 75 miles west of the city, and I'm gonna show you a renovation of a 15,000 square foot mansion. How big is 15,000 square feet? Just take a look at these columns. Seriously, look. I mean, I look like an ant from back here, don't I? Come on over here again. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside and meet my friend Cindy, who's doing an amazing job renovating this place. We're gonna see some finished rooms, some unfinished rooms, some raw space. It's 15,000 square feet. There's no time to waste. Let's go. Oh man, no service. All right, I'm in the mansion. I haven't been able to find Cindy yet. This place is huge. She said she's in here. So we're gonna try to find her. Let's go. Let's try to find Cindy. Whoa. Look at this safe. Oh man.
Hey, you looking for me?
Oh, hey.
Hi.
How are you?
You found the safe again.
Yeah, the safe. Yeah, I wasn't trying to open it or anything.
You won't find much right now, yet.
I was touring the place a little bit while I was looking for you.
It's kind of a mess right now, but I'll show you what I'm doing.
Cool. Wow.
So this was the library,
Okay.
but someone took all the bookshelves
Oh.
before I bought it. So now I'm gonna turn it into a bar.
Library, but I mean, there's a BAR in library, right? There's a BAR in library.
Yes.
So I see where you're going with this. So a lot of people are getting to know you. Obviously, I pull up here. Everyone's like, hey, you have visitors. Like, people are looking out. This is a nice small town.
Yeah.
How different is that from living where you were before in LA, a big major city?
Everyone's so friendly. I know more people probably in my neighborhood here than I did in Los Angeles, living in my same neighborhood for 20 years.
This is a big project, right? Like when you were buying it, I came out to look at it, I was like, hey, look, I like it. It's a big project. Great price.
I remember you asked, are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Like, I think so. I
think so.
Let's do it.
Right.
I was looking for a event space, retreat space, wellness retreats, yoga retreats, meditation retreats, artist writing retreats, anything like that. The more I learn, the more excited I am about the project. And everyone in town is super supportive because they had tried to save this mansion for a long time. So the first floor would be primarily like the event space, the bar area, the outside patio area between the mansion and the carriage house, and then there'll be a garden in the back lot that I want to build.
How big of a garden?
A hedge maze garden. So I want it to be like a substantial garden.
Yep. I follow you obviously on Facebook. I see you doing this stuff, so you guys should definitely follow it. It's an amazing project. Thank you so much. This has been an awesome tour.
Thank you.
I'm super excited. Thank you guys for checking out this amazing tour again. I mean, how incredible is this place? You got to see it in person when it's done. It is massive. American Dream, it's been real. It's J. Lucky Henry, Boston's #1 video agent. See you guys on the next episode.